If you've ever wanted to make money online but didn't know where to start, here's the truth. AI has completely changed the game. You no longer need to be an expert writer, designer, or marketer to make serious cash online. In 2025, the people winning are the ones who know how to use AI tools smartly. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to use AI to write high quality content, find clients, and start earning real money, even if you're starting from zero. Let's break it down step by step. First, AI content creation. Tools like Chat, GPT, Claude, and Gemini can write anything: blog posts, ad copy, product descriptions, even YouTube scripts like this one. The trick isn't just asking the AI to write an article, it's about prompting it correctly. For example, say, write a 600-word blog post for a UK audience about saving money as a student in a friendly and helpful tone. The better your prompt, the better your result. Once you've generated content, polish it using free tools like Grammarly or Quillbot to make it sound more human and professional. Then you can repurpose that same content into multiple formats. Turn blog posts into social media captions, tweets, or even video scripts. That's how you multiply output without multiplying your workload. Now, let's talk about getting clients. This is where most people struggle, but AI actually makes it easier. You can use ChatGPT to write professional outreach messages, proposals, and portfolios in seconds. Go to sites like Fiverr, Upwork, or LinkedIn and look for clients needing blog writing, copywriting, or social media help. Use AI to handle the heavy lifting, from writing to research, so you can deliver fast and charge competitive rates. Here's a simple example. You find a client who needs weekly blog posts. You charge £50 per article. You use AI to draft the post, edit it to fit their brand, and deliver it within a day. Even if you only get 4 clients, that's £800 a month, and you can scale from there. Next, let's move to AI-assisted freelancing. AI isn't just for writing. It can create graphics, videos, voiceovers, and more. Use Canva's AI tools to design social posts, ElevenLabs for professional voiceovers, and tools like Runway or Pika for short-form video creation. You can offer full content packages without learning complex software or paying for subscriptions. One powerful strategy is to create a small portfolio of sample work using AI tools. For instance, generate 3 blog posts, 2 Instagram carousels, and 1 video voice-over. Upload them to a free Notion or Google Drive page and send that link to potential clients. It looks professional, it costs you nothing, and it shows proof of skill instantly. Once you start getting clients, automate your workflow. Use ChatGPT to help write responses, Zapier or Notion to manage tasks, and Google Sheets to track payments. The goal isn't just to freelance, it's to systematize your business so you can scale it. And here's where it gets exciting. After a few months, you'll have experience, testimonials, and recurring clients. You can then create your own brand, maybe a content agency or AI-based service. Start hiring freelancers or selling your own digital products like templates or ebooks made with AI. That's how you go from side hustle to sustainable income. The biggest mistake people make is thinking AI will replace them. It won't. It'll replace people who don't know how to use it. The opportunity in 2025 is learning how to use AI as your business partner. It helps you move faster, produce more, and earn more without needing a huge team or investment. So if you want to make money using AI, start small. Offer writing or social media services using free tools, build your reputation, and expand from there. You don't need to be a tech genius, just consistent and curious. AI has leveled the playing field. Anyone can make money with the right tools and the right mindset. The question is, will you use it to your advantage or watch others do it instead? If you found this helpful, subscribe to Money Mindset UK for weekly videos on side hustles, investing, and using AI to build real financial freedom in 2025 and beyond.